Taking a live look outside, 15 minutes past the hour on this Sunday.
Look at there it is.
Where's Waldo? Can you spot the moon just over to the far right corner of your screen?
1 o'clock there.
Yeah.
In about 15 minutes, it'll be set. Moon set at 6:30.
It's beautiful.
And then it'll be rising again this afternoon at 4:42. That's a half hour after the sun sets. So hopefully the cloud cover, which is going to come back in again later this morning, will be thinning out and moving on out. It's time for us to see a really spectacular moonrise.
Okay.
We did see some of the parting of the clouds this morning, fortunately, because when we were certainly starting to drive in, it was like, where did it go?
Thinned out quite a bit. There are a few places where there's a deck of lower clouds, which is completely blotting out the moon altogether. But most areas are seeing some of that moonshine, which is getting ready to set. So that's the full cold moon. Anyway, we're looking at high temperatures yesterday. These were the highs, around 41 to 43 around here, eastern Massachusetts, to 47 down toward the Cape. So the temperatures will be just a little bit higher for today. That's what happened yesterday. Here's what's coming up in the coming attractions. It looks like wet and warming weather will happen Tuesday night, and the wet weather will end first thing Wednesday morning. Now, it'll still be mild when you head out Wednesday morning, and then the temperatures will fall during the morning and into the afternoon. So the warmest part of the day will be early Wednesday morning, probably in the pre-dawn hours. Now, much colder weather will be coming late this week and for the week after, especially late next weekend and the week after. It looks like temperatures may only be around the upper 20s to lower 30s for high temperatures for some of those days. Additionally, it looks like some flurries are likely here Friday afternoon and maybe redeveloping again Saturday afternoon. The big question mark is, will it evolve into accumulating snow later Saturday night and into next Sunday? That's a possibility right now, but it's definitely not etched in stone. It's too far away. It depends on a lot of factors, but it's trending in that direction. Here are the temperatures from this morning. Currently, from many locations around the region, we're seeing almost the identical temperatures to yesterday, give or take a degree or two here and there, mostly in the mid-20s. As you get out on the Cape, we get this bank of lower clouds, which is completely blotting out and preventing any radiation cooling, so it's mostly in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees, just a tad cooler down there than it was yesterday morning at this time. This afternoon, the high temperatures will be about 2 to 4 degrees higher in many spots than what it was yesterday afternoon. So it looks like much of the nation is really pretty warm with above average temperatures, but the cold air now is just starting to plunge down into the northwest because there's a storm system there that's really going to get its act together and start capturing the cold air in Canada and start yanking it southward into this nation. So for the most part, at least for now, nothing's going on. It's a quiet day today. More cloud cover may come in and thicken up a little bit and filtering the sunshine a bit later on. And then tomorrow, though, it looks like it's going to be sunnier, so that's good news. Here comes the storm. This is going to be a bomb-out storm as it goes up into central Canada. Very, very intense. The trailing cold front will give us some rain here, and that's going to be coming in on Tuesday night and ending early Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning, the bottom number, 54, that's when the highest temperature is going to be in the morning rather than the afternoon. That's why I've got the high on the bottom. And then it's cold at the end of the week with snow flurries Friday and maybe some accumulating snow, possible, big word, capital letters, possible, Saturday night and Sunday.
Big words, capital letters, bold, underline. Got it. Thanks, Barry.